tomorrow I don't have any plans as of yet. I actually need to get some writing done, so I was hoping maybe I would dedicate a few hours in the morning to doing that. And then after, I was thinking maybe I'd go for like a little walk around the area, or even like there's a couple of temples. I don't know how close by they are, but maybe if they're within walking distance, or maybe I'll just suck it up and get a cab for now. I might go there and try to check those out tomorrow. But on Saturday, I booked an ATV tour, which is going up a mountain, and you know, you get to basically have this like amazing view of the island from high up and ride an ATV, which is awesome. So that's happening on Saturday. Very excited. I don't have a GoPro, sadly, but they did say that I could rent one from them. So maybe I can actually show you that too. We'll just see how it works out. And that's the plan for now. So anyway, I'm gonna hang up on this and I'll show you my Airbnb. And then afterwards, maybe we'll go for a walk. So here's my bed. Some very nice details here from the host. I've got a nice writing desk, which is awesome. Hopefully it will encourage me to get some writing done. Some very cute little elephant details here too, actually. Oh, those are adorable. Okay, well, I can't open the deck door, so we'll have to skip that part for now. But anyway, so here's the rest of it. Here's a little laundry section here with a lockbox, which is nice. Then she had a refrigerator, microwave, toaster oven, and a washer. Thank goodness. Oh my gosh, washer. So yeah, I'm gonna just like gorge myself on mango sticky rice today and pad thai. So I think that that's a better alternative to cooking anyway. Okay, I just got back from a swim. It was really nice, but I realized how out of shape I am. I haven't gone swimming probably in 10 years, which is insane to say actually out loud, but it's true. And I am signed up for a diving course at the end of the month. So I thought, oh, well, I should take advantage of the pool and try to practice my swimming a little bit before I get into the ocean with a bunch of strangers and try to breathe out of a tank, you know? So that's what I did today. And it actually went okay, but I was like gasping for breath and just panting really hard when I was swimming. So I think I need to practice that a few more times before the end of the month. But today, even though I got a lot done, I feel like I didn't do much. I mean, I had an article to write, and then I also wanted to get a couple of things done with my blog. And then I also spent this like huge chunk of time doing Instagram reels, which actually took me like way longer than I expected it would. Like I would finish one reel and look at the clock and be like, oh my God, an hour passed. Try to finish another one and then look at the clock again. Oh my God, another hour passed. And it just kept happening for like 3 hours. I don't know how that happened. That's like the time vortex of Instagram. I'm sure maybe someone else watching this video can relate to it, where you just go on Instagram and then all of a sudden like your afternoon disappears. I don't know, it's probably not good. So I haven't eaten anything yet today, not since the morning at least. So I'm pretty hungry now, and I think I'm gonna go out to the town, which is maybe like a 5-minute drive away, 15 minutes walking. It's called Fisherman's Village. I know I mentioned that earlier. So that one is kind of like it's not exactly central because there's a bunch of these small like shop and bar areas all over the island, but that one happens to be the closest one to me. I went there yesterday evening and it was nice, but you know, a lot of places are still really closed. So, you know, the only things that are open right now are a couple of tourist shops, like 2 massage parlors and a bunch of restaurants. So the restaurants were nice though. So I'm gonna go there and get something to eat. The cab situation here is kind of non-existent. As it turns out, you know, I asked my Airbnb host for a recommendation for a driver and she gave me one who was super nice, but you know, it's just one guy and I'm sure he's busy throughout the island. So you know, I can't just rely on him to be like my driver, you know, like some princess here. So I'm gonna try to not rely on cab drivers. And also it's not expensive in terms of like what a Westerner would expect to pay, but you know, comparatively to like Bangkok, it's so expensive to take a cab here. It's ridiculous. So I want to also avoid doing that so I don't just like spend unnecessary costs just driving around the island, you know, and it takes a long time too because you have to wait for them to come get you. Anyway, up to my next thing, which is that today I rented a motorbike. And it's been a long time since I rode a motorbike, so I'm still adjusting. It's dark out right now and I'm honestly kind of hesitant. I'm not gonna lie, this video is a little bit of like a time waster, so I don't have to go ride this freaking bike. But I know that I have to do it, and if I want to eat something today, which I do, I have to take the bike. But I mean, that is like a pretty good option. It seems like a lot of people do rent bikes here. So obviously I'm gonna wear a big old helmet and probably like a layer of clothing. And you're probably looking at me right now thinking, a layer of clothing, really? Because I'm wearing this. But I mean, when I went out yesterday to this village, I was wearing a t-shirt that was kind of dirty, not gonna lie, jeans, and no makeup. And I got off my flight and I just like washed up quickly, and I definitely didn't look like I was going out, you know? But everyone there was really dressed up and looking nice, so I feel like I have to like blend in a little bit. So I'm probably going to like actually put like a jacket on just in case, I don't know. I mean, I just said it's a 5-minute drive and it's really not that far, and I'm probably like building this up to be way bigger in my head than it actually is, but I'm scared. Also, I haven't figured out how I'm gonna film on the bike. I don't have a GoPro, and I haven't figured out how to rent one yet. So you guys are just gonna have to like wait to hear back from me on how that goes. But that's actually great because it'll save me the humiliation if I fall or do something stupid on the bike and it's not caught on camera. So I'll just let you know how it goes, and if I fall and it looks ridiculous, I'll just say, oh, it went really great, everything worked out, and you'll be none the wiser. So yeah, all right, well, enough procrastination. I have to go do this. So I'm gonna take the camera with me, and hopefully it's busy today and you can see some excitement in the city, or not the city, the strip of restaurants and bars. So let's go. Also, just as like a side thing, my heart is literally like pounding because I took the motorbike here and I still can't believe I survived it. So I think I'm gonna go down to one of the nearby beaches and just hang out there for a little bit, see if it's nice, and try to get something to eat. they're beautiful. Ooh. Sawadika. Wow.
She made it about them.
Oh my.
Yes.
Wow, look at that. Beautiful. So this is how you make, you tie like a knot here. Ah, very good. Wow, that's amazing. Beautiful. And it lasts for a long time. It's very strong, right?
Around 2 times or 3 times.
Ah.
Yes, about it.
Okay.
Because need rope dry.
It needs to dry. Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
Before I make order about skirt.
Ah, yes. Oh, like a hula. Oh, awesome. Oh, very nice though. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Wow, well thank you so much for showing me this. It's wonderful. I really love these two up here that you have. Those are very nice.
I need to order on.
Ah, wow. Wow. These are so cool. Ah, same. Wow, nice. This very nice detail up here. Wow. Awesome. It's beautiful. Ah. Wow, cool. I love this.